Well, hello PreAlgebra. Welcome to another week. I have some instruction up here. I have the synchronous session posted with a reminder that we're not going to be meeting on Monday. I have a PDF of the actual notes that I wrote while doing the videos for your reference, so you'll be able to click on that and look at that as well. I have the quiz that's up here, and I have the discussion that's been available the past couple weeks also. Make sure you take care of your assignments and completing them and turning them in. For those of you who haven't completed the readiness diagnostic, absolutely hop on that and complete that as soon as you can. I'm going to be updating grades here soon. I'm manually grading the last couple of things, and so within the next couple of days this will be updated and posted, and any missing assignments that you have in the gradebook will be marked as 0 and missing. And so if you're doing 100% in the gradebook right now, but you're missing 3 or 4 assignments, that will drastically change. So please make sure you take care of that, complete any of those missing assignments from any of the weeks, and be sure to get those in. I look forward to working with you guys this week. Hope you take care of yourselves and see you all soon.